Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to learn the last article of this unit is a dividend difference. Dividend difference. First write the definition. If x0, y0, x1, y1 up to the term xn, yn be given point, then first divided difference for argument x0, x1 is given by x0, x1 is equal to y1 minus y0 upon x1 minus x0. Similarly, x1, x2 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Divided difference for the three argument x0, x1, x2 is given by x0, x1, x2 is equal to x1, x2 minus x0, x1 upon x2 minus x0. Similarly, the x1, x2 and x3 is equal to x2, x3 minus x1, x2 upon x3 minus x1. Divided difference for four argument x0, x1, x2, x3 is given by x0, x1, x2, x3 is equal to x1, x2, x3 minus x0, x1, x2 upon x3 minus x0. Now we define Newton divided difference formula. Y is equal to f of x is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into x0, x1 plus x minus x0, x minus x1 into divided difference x0, x1, x2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1 up to the term x minus xn minus 1 into x0 x1 up to the term xn divided difference. This formula is used to find out the function of y. Then we see the problem of divided difference. Then write first the problem. Use the following table and find f of x as a polynomial in x by using the divided difference method. X and f of x is given. X is equal to minus 1 3 0 minus 6 3 39 6 8 2 2 7 1 6 1 1. Then write the solution. The divided difference table is x f of x first difference, second difference, third difference and fourth difference. X is equal to minus 1 3 0 6 3 39 6 8 2 2 7 1 6 1 1. And first difference is find out by x0 minus x1 means minus 6 minus 3, that is minus 9. This is the first difference. This value is equal to x0 x1, difference of x0 x1. And then next difference is x2 minus x1, and that is the formula is used, and then we get this value is equal to 15. Next difference is this two difference and this two difference means by using formula of divided difference, this value is 261 and this is 789. Again the divided difference of three numbers is using this formula x1 x0 x1 x2 is equal to x1 x2 minus x0 x1 upon x2 minus x0. By using this formula and this difference is find out and we get this value is equal to difference of these two is 6. This is the x0 x1 x2, and same formula is used and we get this value is equal to 41, and same formula is used and value is 132. Again difference for four x0 x1 x2 and x4, and formula is given here. This formula x0 x1 x2 x3 is equal to difference of x1 x2 x3 minus x0 x1 x2 upon x3 minus x0. This formula is used and this difference is 5 and this difference is 13, and this 5 number is equal this difference, this is equal to x0 x1 x2 x3. difference of this, and last is equal to 1, and this is equal to x0, x1, x2, x3 and x5. This is equal to 1. Then by using the new Newton divided difference formula, by Newton divided difference formula is given by y of x is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into difference of x0 x1 plus x minus x0 x minus x1 into difference of x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 x minus x1 x minus x2 and difference of x0 x1 x2 and x3, and last term is x minus x0 x minus x1 x minus x2 x minus x3 and difference of x0 x1 x2 x3 and x4. Then put the value of this difference table in this formula and we will find out the value of polynomial of given equation, that is equal to y of x is equal to y0 is 3 plus x plus 1 into minus 9 plus x plus 1 into x minus 0 into 6 plus x plus 1 into x minus 0 into x minus 3 into 5 plus x plus 1 x minus 0 x minus 3 into x minus 6 into 1. After calculating, we get 3 minus 9x minus 9 plus x plus 1 6x plus x plus 1 x minus 3 5x plus x plus 1 x minus 3 x minus 6 x. Then again calculation, 3 minus 9x minus 9 plus 6x square plus 6x plus x square minus 2x minus 3 into 5x, multiplication of this bracket, plus x multiplication of this bracket is x square minus 2x minus 3 into x square minus 6x. And again calculation, 3 minus 9x minus 9 plus 6x square plus 6x plus 5x cube minus 10x square minus 15x plus x to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 3x square minus 6x cube plus 12x square plus 18x, and this is equal to, after calculating we get x raised to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x square minus 6. This is the value of y of x, and which is required polynomial. And this table, first value, we know in this table the first difference, that is minus 9. Minus 9 is find out by using the formula. This formula is used. x0 minus x0 x1. x0 x1 is y1 minus y0 upon x1 minus x0. That is y1 is equal to minus 6. minus 3 y0 is, and 0 minus of minus 1, that is equal to minus 9. Same value of x0, x1, x2, that is equal to x1, x2 minus x0, x1 upon x2 minus x0. This, put the value of this 1 upon 3 minus 3 minus of minus 1 into value of this is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus y1 minus y0 x1 minus x0. This formula is used here. 1 upon 4 into 39 minus of minus 6 upon 3 minus 0 minus of minus 6 minus 3 upon 0 minus of minus 1, and this is equal to 1 by 4 into 45 upon 3 plus 9, and that is equal to 1 by 4 15 plus 9, and that is equal to 15 plus 9 means 24, and that is 1 by 4 into 24, and that is equal to 6. Means this value of x0, x1, x2, like this value of this number, difference of x0, x1, x2, x3 is also calculated by using the divided difference formula, and this also same procedure is used and find out this value, and we get this table's value, and putting this table's value in Newton divided difference formula, and after calculation we get the polynomial x raised to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 5x square minus 6, which is the required polynomial of given equation. Thank you, and unit second is complete here. Then next lecture, video lecture, we are going to start third unit, and then next lecture को आप देखेंगे यूनिट थर्ड. थैंक यू.